Hey, everybody, this is Kevin. I'm here to talk to you about KeyTools DayTrade. The application itself is something that I put together. I do day trading now, and every day I get up and go through a bunch of different processes so that I can make some money every day. It's uh, not a get rich quick scheme, but it'll put an extra, 50, 100, $200 a day in your pocket for just a couple hours of work. That's what I'm doing. What I found out that I was doing was I was spending a lot of time just gathering the information that needed in order to do this. So what I did was I put everything into an application and I made the application available. It's called DayTrade KeyTools DayTrade, and it's available for you to subscribe to. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Well, first of all, I'll tell you about myself. My name's Kevin Evans, and I was an IS manager for about 10 years, and then the IT director for the Compton Unified School District for about 18 years. And then for the last 8 years, I've been doing software development for a software company. Well, software development testing. I do load testing and things like that. If a company wants to know, if they have 1,000 people or 10,000 people on their application, how is it going to perform? And that's the kind of stuff that I did. And what I'm doing now is I'm retired from all of that. Got bored, started day trading, and decided to put all of those skills and all of that time into building an application that makes this whole thing a lot easier. I added AI into it and a bunch of other things. So I'm going to show you what the application is and what it's about. This is just an introductory video, and I'm going to go here. Let me jump over here real quick so that so you can see what's going on. Oh, first of all, let's talk about the disclaimer. There's always a disclaimer, of course. This is for educational and information purposes only. I am not a broker. I'm not telling you to go out and risk your house note on a stock and end up living, you know, without a house someplace. So the goal of this program is to just help you make a couple extra dollars. And those of you who know me know that I wouldn't bring it to you if it wasn't something that was already working for me. Okay. Let's take a look here at this. Now, what this is going to be is this is going to be a 10 video series that I'm putting together, and it's going to tell you about day trade and how it works. Now, if you're in a hurry and you don't want to look through the videos and stuff, within the application, there's a user guide. You can read it and understand what's going on, but you'll get more out of it if you go through these videos. I'll try to keep them as short as possible. Okay. The first thing is going to be an introduction, and then we're going to talk about the Key Tools application, the 3 strategies that are included in the application, which are these orange bullets here. Those 3 applications and how 3 strategies and how they work and how I make money with them. We're going to go through my daily routine within the application. There are check boxes. Every day you get up and you go through this daily routine to make sure that you have a good idea of where to go that day. That's how you develop the discipline that will allow you to stop losing so much money. With discipline, you're gonna be swimming with the current. You're gonna be working with things the way they're going. We have a dashboard that will show you exactly what's going on with the market. Is it bearish or bullish? Is it what's VIX doing, which is what's the volatility? What is VWAP? All of that stuff is in the dashboard. You don't want to do that in your regular broker. If you don't want to do it in your regular software and spend as much time as I used to spend every day just trying to get all of those numbers together, we got a dashboard for you that does that. Okay. If you want to, like I said earlier, if you want to skip through all of this and you want to go directly to the getting started video, that'll be video number 9. It'll tell you how much it costs and all of that. But again, if you do that, it's going to cost you more money. Just hear me out, have a little patience. The The direct subscription is about $50. You can get about 40% off of that if you have an affiliate promo code. If you are a YouTuber out there with a strategy, we have an affiliate program so that you can uh, partake in these subscriptions that are coming up, that we're setting up now. And I'll keep you posted on all the different things and how we're going to make this happen. Now, on the next slide here is, don't worry, I don't have 100 slides to show you. The next thing we're going to go into is into the actual introduction of what day trade is and how it works. So hang in there, come back for the next video, do the like and subscribe thing, and help me to help you. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Oh, hey, one other thing I forgot. I'm going to make this video series so that these videos are not dependent on each other. But if you go through them in order, it will be more, consistent and help you get a better understanding of what the application does and how the dashboard is all set up. But you don't have to. If you already understand day trading, you can skip video number 1 completely and go to video number 2 and you can see the application. Okay. Also, I forgot the like and subscribe. I'll put the thing on the screen right there in the editing. Okay. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all of that stuff helps me to keep doing this in my free time. All righty. Take it easy.